Alright, my name is Miguel Cordero. I wasn't able to make it to lab last Tuesday, so I wasn't able to get checked off. So here I'm going to present my video of my output for lab 4. So as you can see, this is for the first part where both the lights toggle using continuous mode with the interrupt. So since it's a 32K crystal, it toggles about every 2 seconds. So that's for that one. And now I'll flash the next one, which is 4.2. It's gonna come up, and this will be when it's in up mode and they're alternating toggle. So one's on, one's off. And it's doing it about every 1 second, as you can see there. So that's 4.1. I'll move on to 4.3, and this is gonna be with the push buttons. So I'm just gonna flash it real quick. All right, so now as you can see, when I pressed this one, turns off, on, on. So this send interrupts, which causes it to toggle. As I mentioned in the report, it's not perfect, as you've seen a few times. Like sometimes I press it, it's supposed to be off, but it just it's on. Another thing I noticed is, one second. Let's like say like that. You expect them both to turn off. I'm pressing them at the same time, but it's not perfect. So they don't respond well when you press at the same time. And also another thing I noticed is, so let's say I'm holding this one down, and I'm gonna start pressing this one, and it acts strangely than I would expect. This was all put in the report, so notice that. Sorry, a second. I can do the same thing with this one. So yeah, so this, you would expect it just the red one to change, but it affects that one too when it's like one's held down. So that's kind of some troubleshooting I saw there, since the report did ask me to mess with it. So I did that. So those are the three main. Those are just regular with the infinite for loop. So the next ones, I'll just show real quick that these were implemented with low power mode. I use low power mode 3 since that keeps the ACLK on. But you'll see you get the same output. So this is for the first one with the continuous mode, same output. I'll go ahead and really quick load the other ones just so you can see. So you can see that we're getting the same output even in low power mode. Alright, so that's the other one in low power mode. Then we'll do the last one in low power mode. Alright, see? So it works the same. Alright, and that's about it. Again, my name is Miguel Cordero. I emailed you guys about probably close to two weeks from now. I wasn't gonna be able to make it last Tuesday. I did have some, I had a work related that I had to like take a long trip, so I wasn't able to pretty much attend class most of last week, so I wasn't able to make it to the lab. But I got the lab done, and I hope this counts as a checkoff. If any other questions, please feel free to email me and I could respond quickly. Thank you.